Understanding, I have to go now, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English easy and fun to learn. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase. I have to go now. This phrase is used daily by English speakers worldwide, and understanding its nuances can really help in everyday conversations. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some interesting contexts where it can be applied. I have to go now is a phrase that combines a few key elements. First, I have to indicates a necessity or obligation. It's something you need to do, not just want to do. And go simply means to leave or depart from the current location. Now adds a sense of immediacy, suggesting that the departure is imminent. So, put together, this phrase means that the speaker needs to leave immediately. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. 1. Polite farewell. When you're at a social gathering or a meeting and need to leave, saying, I have to go now, is a polite way to excuse yourself. 2. Urgent situations. If something urgent comes up and you need to leave quickly, this phrase effectively communicates the urgency without being rude. 3. Ending phone calls or online chats. It's a common way to end conversations in a respectful manner, indicating that you need to attend to other matters. In different English-speaking cultures, this phrase can carry slightly different connotations. For instance, in more formal British English, it might be softened with an addition, like, I'm terribly sorry, but I have to go now. In American English, it's often used straightforwardly and casually. Understanding these subtle differences can enhance your communication skills in diverse English-speaking environments. To expand your vocabulary, here are some alternative phrases with similar meanings. 1. I must be off. 2. I need to get going. 3. It's time for me to head out. These variations can add flavor to your conversations and help you sound more like a native speaker. I have to go now is more than just a way to say goodbye. It's a polite, versatile phrase that's essential in everyday English communication. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering English. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.